be unboxing a Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, a Apple Watch, and AirPods Pro! This is the iPhone Pro Max and the latest version on the market. And why it's really expensive is because of the frame. The frame is made out of titanium with splash, water and dust resistance. One of the cool features of this phone is that I can zoom in more further than any other phone. Okay, that's it. Less talking, more unboxing. Yes! Are you guys excited to unbox? This color you are seeing right here is natural titanium, and it has 3 cameras and a flash. And if we flip this over carefully like this, and let's just put it down here, this is a USB-C. Most other versions of the iPhone, they use a lightning cable, but this is a cool part that uses a USB-C. That's what makes it special. So the USB-C, the difference is right here, the hole. And actually, the screen is 6.7 inches. So let's get started by peeling carefully. Oh, there's the nice shiny black. That was satisfying. The Apple Watch. This part is very comfortable because as you can see the Apple symbols on like that. Now I'm just waiting for it. Like the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, we've got to wait. We got 2 down, 1 more to go, and that is the AirPods Pro. Got a watch, an AirPod, and the phone. Life is easy and smart. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. See you later!